Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your Vivo phone. Okay, to perform a hard reset on your Vivo phone, first press the volume up and power button together. Now tap to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together. Just press it, hold it, do not release, and now release both keys. So now here you can see vivo 5G fast boot mode. Okay, now here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to recovery mode and confirm. So as you can see, it will send you in vivo 5G recovery mode. Here install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and on bottom power off and restart is available. So simply tap on clear data. So as you can see over there, clear cache and clear all data. Tap on clear all data. So as you can see over there, you can see clear all data. All data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos. As you can see, contacts, photos, and SMS messages data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Now tap on OK. So as you can see, it is clearing data. Kindly wait. Do not use the device until it is clearing data. So you can see cleared. All data is cleared. Now tap to return. Tap over there. And now here simply restart your device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset your Vivo phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.